In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the split view feature in Adobe Acrobat on both PC and Mac. This feature can be incredibly useful if you want to view multiple pages of a PDF document at the same time, comparing them side by side for a more efficient review process. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of the split view function. First things first, you'll need to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Launch the application and load the document that you want to work with. If you're new to Acrobat, you can simply double-click your PDF file and it should automatically open with the software, assuming Acrobat is your default PDF viewer. If not, right-click on your file, choose Open With, and select Adobe Acrobat from the list. Once your PDF is open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top left corner of the window. This menu is your command center for various Acrobat functions, so it's good to familiarize yourself with it. Clicking on this menu will reveal a drop-down of options related to your document and software settings. Now comes the key step. Here, you'll want to look for the window option on this menu bar. This is where you can manage how your document is displayed on the screen. Hover your mouse over window and you'll see several choices appear. Among them, you'll find split. Click on this option to activate the split view mode. When split view is enabled, your Acrobat window will divide into 2 or more sections depending on how you want to configure it. By default, Adobe will split the view horizontally, allowing you to compare one section of your document directly above another. You can adjust the split by moving the dividing line, or if you prefer a vertical split, you can rearrange your Acrobat window to suit your preferences. It's worth mentioning that the split view function doesn't alter your document in any way, it simply changes how you view it. This feature is particularly handy for reviewing lengthy documents, or when you need to double check information across different pages efficiently. And there you have it, you've successfully set up and are using the split view in Adobe Acrobat. This feature is a game changer when it comes to multitasking and document comparison, making your workflow much smarter and more efficient. Remember to close the split view when you're done by either closing one of the sections or selecting Remove Split from the window menu. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you and gives you a clearer understanding of how to navigate Adobe Acrobat's extended viewing options. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stick around for more practical tips and guides in our future videos.